Hello, my grade 3 kids. This is our lesson. I will start sharing my screen. Okay, so now this is page 37, Tally Table and Pictograph by Miss Nani Elhaddad. Okay, page 37. A pictograph is another way to show data. Symbols on a pictograph can show any number. The key shows what each symbol means. Wael and Mariam each used a different key to show the same data. What does this mean? He is telling me that a pictograph, it is a graph, I extract data from it. What is data in math? The data in math is numbers. 1, 2, 20, 10, counting. We count and get numbers from any problem in mathematics. What is mathematics? Mathematics is numbers. Mathematics is numbers. So when he tell me a pictograph, so it is graph with pictures, I get the numbers from the pictures. What is a bar graph? It is a graph, I get numbers from the bars. Okay, what is the tally marks? It is the tally marks that we have taken and we extract the numbers from them. So every problem in math is getting the numbers, extracting the numbers. And he's telling something very important also. It's a key, K-E-Y, a key. What's a key? A key is, if he told me this is a ball, okay, what you are saying, it's my hand, let's say it is a ball. If this ball, I told you to count it, you will count it as 1, right? The key changes this. Her name will not be 1, her name will be 5. He will tell me that this ball equal 5, this ball equal 5. So when I ask you, how many you have, you will tell me 5. You will not tell me 1. 1 is wrong. Why? Because he gave me the key, it is called 5. If he told me that the key equal 10, so this ball not equal 1, not equal 5, it is equal 10. That's the key. You will understand from the coming example. Here, page 37 also. Wael's way, sports we like to watch. Here is football, basketball, tennis, handball. First, I did football. See, where is the key? Let me show you here the key. See, you see this? Yes, this is a key. So this key equals 1 ball equals 5 votes. 1 ball equals 5 votes. Here in this key, 1 ball equals 10 votes. And I explain it here. Look with me here. Oh, I want to delete this. Eraser. Okay. So now let's write here. Okay. When he is telling me here that I have 5 votes, 1 ball, this key, 1 ball equals 5 votes. So he means that when I find 1 ball, it will be equal 5 votes, not equal 1, not equal 2, it is equal 5. Okay, okay. Now, when he tells me that 1 ball equal 5 votes, so 1 ball equal 5. We count the 1 ball as 5. Here I have this key equal 10 votes. This key, the ball equal 10 votes. So 1 ball equal 10 votes. So 1 ball equal 10 votes. Here 1 ball equals 10 votes. Okay, so we have 2 examples here in this page. He gave me that key equal 5 votes, this ball, 1 ball equal 5 votes. So when I see ball, this ball, I counted 5, not 1. And here, when I see this ball, it is not 1, it is 10. Let's go see the previous page. Okay. And let me delete this. Okay. So here, what do I have here? What do I have here in page 37? Football. How I count this, as I told you. Here the key is 5. So how I count? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It is 5 plus 5 plus 5. 8 5s equal 40. Here he gives me the key equal 10 votes. The key equal 10 votes. 1 ball equal 10 votes. So here 1 ball equals 10. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, 40. So here the key is 10, here the key is 5, here is 40, here is 40. But not the same number of balls. Basketball, how many? Here the key is 5. So 5, 10, 15, 20. And here I have the key 10, 5, 10. It's the key 10, 10 plus 10 equal 20. Okay, 10 plus 10 equal 20. Here is the tennis. How many? 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here in tennis, only 10, only 1 ball. 1 ball equal 10. Here handball, 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 50. Here the handball is what? Look with me here. I will tell you something. When he gives you this as a ball, and he told you here it is 10, it is 10. If he gives you half of the ball, half of it, not all of the ball, half of the ball, so you will do half of the 10. What is half of the 10? What is the meaning of half? We take 5 plus 5. 10 is 5 plus 5, so we take 5. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 10 is 5. So the whole ball is 10. Half of the ball is 5. The whole ball is 10. Half of the ball is 5. Okay, so it is 10 plus 5, 50. So here that's 40, 20, 10, 15. Okay, we complete here. As I explained this page. Tally table and pictograph. From the graph, we will see how many people like basketball. It is 20 votes. We will look here and see. Basketball 20, and he will ask me about the most. What is the meaning of the most? Most means the bigger number. So it is football. The least means the smaller number. It is 10. Okay. So here, how many people like it basketball? 20 votes. How many people like it handball? 15 votes. Which sport is like the most? Bigger, football. The least, smaller, tennis. Okay. Here, this page, tally table and pictograph. I want you to know that the most, when he tells you, get me the most, so you go see the greatest, the greatest. Here is number 4 is the greatest, or the largest. Largest equal greatest. Okay, let me write it for you. Here, greatest equal largest. Okay. The smallest here, the least means the smallest. Here is the smallest is 1. So when he asks me to go from ascending order, what's ascending? From smaller to bigger. ascending, ascending. And you have the other way, descending, from bigger to smaller, descending. It's 4, 3, 2, 1. Ascending, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Okay. Now, let me delete this also. Okay. So, here in page 38, use the pictograph to answer the question. Let me explain it first for you. I have here one line. He gives me the key that one line, one faced line. This is the line of the face of the line. This face equals 2. When I see the whole face, it is equal to. If he gives me the half of the face is equal 1. The half of 2 is 1. Half of 2 is 1. Half of 2, 1. Half of 10, 5. Half of 10, 5. Half of 2, 1. So here's the key, 2 votes. So one face is 2 and one line equal 2 votes. When he tells you how many, you do minus. Don't forget, we took it. When he tells you how many, you do minus. When he tells you in all, you do plus. When he tells you in all, you do plus. Half the line, half of the face, it is 1 vote. Half of the face is 1 vote. So one line equal to. Okay, so as in the line if we had 5 faces, 1, so 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equal 10. If we have 2 faces, 2 plus 2 equal 4, and so on. Let's go answer it here, page 38, as you understood now. So monkey, we have whole face, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and half. So it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It is 13. Here, 10, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Here it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. It is 12. And here it is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. It is 7 here, 2 plus 2, 4. How many votes did the alligator get? 4. How many votes did the monkey get? 13. How many votes did the polar bear get? 7. Which zoo animal got the most votes? It is monkey. Which zoo animal got the fewest votes? It is alligator. The lion got more votes than polar bear. How many more votes did the lion get? So when he asks me how many more, I do minus. Polar bear minus lion. It is, the lion is 10, so the bigger minus the smaller. 10 minus 7, 3. How many votes did the monkey and the alligator get in all? In all, it is plus. So I go to monkey, 13, plus alligator, 4, it is 17. Let's go to page. This is what I have explained. The key, 2 votes, one line, 2 vote, half line, 1 vote. Page 38, he is challenging me. Okay, so when he gives you the whole face, this whole face equal 5. The whole line face 5. And I have in the line 5 line faces, 5 line faces. Let's go see how many in the line. Let's go see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. If the 5, everyone equal 5. Everyone from this 5 equal 5. So it is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. This is 25. Okay. Okay. It is, sorry, 25. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Okay. Okay, so page 39, a pictograph. What's a pictograph? As I told you, a pictograph is a graph but have not numbers, it have pictures and a key. And this key, we count from it. So, number of library books checked out. Here is the name, Omar. How many Omar? How many books Omar read? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the key is 2. Key of one book equal 2 books. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Exactly like the tally mark. Sarah here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many did Tony have here? 1, 2, 3. How many did Tony have here? 1, 2. Half of the book is 1. So it is 2 plus 1. Let's write it together. Here is 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. And here it is, sorry, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, let me delete it, 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Okay, of course. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Okay. Now I will write here 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 8. 4 plus 4, 8. Here, what I will write, one book equals 2. Half of the book, see. If one book equals 2, so half of it is 1. Half of it is 1. So I write 2 plus 1 equals 3. Equals 3. Okay. So one book equals 2 books. Here is 3, here is 3, here is 8, here is 6. How many library books did Tony check out? He checked out, Tony, 3 books. Okay, so let's delete what we have written here. Okay. And this we have stopped here. So I will complete this in the next time. And bye-bye.